Hello all, in this video I'm going to show you the last minute puja decor which should be very easy and beautiful as well. You will be definitely surprised if you know the budget I spent for this decor. Are you eager to know? Then why late? Let's get into the video. And by the way, welcome back to my channel Smart Making by Vijaya. If you are new to my channel, I do videos on DIY decorations for different events, crafts and more. And also join in the Facebook group Smart Making by Vijaya where the members can share their own ideas and get the new ideas. I provided the invite link in the description. Coming to this decoration, the attractive part is the middle round shade with flowers. I made this by using hula hoop which is from Dollar Tree, and the fabric I used here is from Hobby Lobby. I will try to mention the fabric type in the description. You can use any of your colorful pattern dupatta as well. It's very simple and quick to make this mini ring backdrop. Just lay down the fabric or dupatta which you want to use here as shown in the video, and then place the hula hoop on the fabric. After that, grab all the fabric to the center from all the way around. You can use any material of the fabric, but I suggest you to not use the transparent one. If it is transparent, the frills on the back side will be visible and that won't give the perfect look. And here I am trying to make sure the fabric is very tight from all the way around to get the flat look from the front side. And also choose the fabric that should be good enough to cover the hoop and tie at the back side like this. And next, the zip ties are the best thing to tie this fabric. First I had a thought to use a rope or rubber band, but I realized they are not stronger enough to tie. So use zip ties to lock the fabric. Then I use the second zip tie to make sure there is no gaps or loose in this mini backdrop. And here you see how flat is this from the front side. And take the close look how I tied the fabric with zip ties. Next I found this bright sunflower bunches from Dollar Tree. I removed the flowers from the stems. Now I am going to stitch these flowers to the fabric on the hoop with a hand sewing needle so that the flowers will be steady on the fabric and the stitching process will not make any damage to your dupatta or fabric. Few people might already got an idea to use the cardboard and poster board instead of using hula hoop and fabric. Yes, you are right, you can also use them. But I can definitely say that the fabric look will be completely different compared to cardboards and poster boards because the fabric comes with the bright colors, shine and different patterns like Benares. I suggest you to use the glitter sheet on the cardboard or foam board instead of using plain poster board to get the shiny look. But if you want any design with a shiny look on this mini backdrop, I would say fabric is the best option. And that's it, our pretty mini ring backdrop is ready. I used 4 bunches of sunflowers from Dollar Tree. They are good enough to stitch around this hoop. Here I left the gap because it won't be visible if you place any god statue. You can stitch without gap if you want. This is a white jute card which is again from Dollar Tree. I use this to hang the backdrop curtain instead of backdrop stand. This is really very stiff and won't give any bend in the middle like rope even after hanging the backdrop curtain. And you can use self-adhesive hooks to the wall or even push pins are stronger enough to hold it. If you have any excess fabric at backside of the hoop, make sure it is settled in the gap between wall and table. And these beautiful hangings I am using here are from Krishna Home Decor. They have unique collection of antique home decor and festive decor. I provided their page details in the description. You should go and check their products, you will love them. If you see, the money I spent to make this hoop backdrop is $1 for hula hoop and $4 for sunflower bunches. That's it. I used the fabric and zip ties that I already had with me. And I believe that everyone has the minimal stuff like artificial marigold strings or some door hangings or tablecloths etc. in your home. Or you can also use your saris as a backdrop. And here is another idea, you can also add the peacock feathers to this for more prettier look. You just have to glue the feathers to the flowers as shown in the video and cut the excess stem. That's it. The super cute feathers backdrop is ready, and let me know in the comments which is your favorite with or without feathers. Wow, look at this, how beautiful it is, isn't it? I totally loved it. I feel this decoration can be used as last minute Varalakshmi Puja or for upcoming festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Sri Krishna Janmashtami, or even for Navaratri. What do you feel, guys? Does this $5 hoop backdrop really adding more beauty and elegance to your decoration? If yes, like this video and save it for future, and do share the pictures on Instagram if you tried at your home. I will be the happiest and get more motivation to do more and more budget friendly decor videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.